see the concept of a computer desktop. Okay, so we'll see what is a desktop. Okay, desktop is the main screen area that you will see when you turn on the computer. That means after starting the computer, the first screen that comes is the desktop. Okay, so desktop is the first screen that comes after you turn on the computer. So when you turn on the computer, at first what you will see a desktop. Okay, so desktop is actually the screen main screen area where a user works. So majority of the time user works with desktop or user works on desktop. Every application, every file or whatever work a user wants to do, he can do, he can perform the work on the desktop. Okay, so when we switch on, when you log on the computer, at first which screen you will see a desktop. Okay, and when you open programs or folders or when you open files, all such programs, files and folders which are currently running on the computer, they will show up on desktop. Okay, you can also put up things on desktop like files, folders in an organized way. Okay, so let's have a look at the desktop of Windows 10. Okay, so the image that is shown here is the desktop of Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10. Okay, for other operating systems like Windows XP or Windows 7, Windows 8, every operating system has its own desktop and most of the features are common in every desktop. So we'll see the features which are available in Windows 10 desktop. Windows 10 desktop is actually divided into different parts. First of all, on the bottom left hand side, you will see a button that is called the start button. Start button. Okay, what is the start button? It is actually a button from where you can access all the programs which are installed in your computer. Okay, so from here you can access all installed programs. Installed programs. That means if you want to run any program, you can go to start menu, you can search the program or you can select the program and run it from start menu if it is not available on your desktop. Okay, the second part on bottom of the screen that you will see after the start button is the search bar. It is called Cortana in Windows 10. So what it is used for? It is used to search programs and files in Windows 10. For example, if you will not find a program in start button or if it is not easily searchable in start button, okay, so you can search that program from Cortana. Or if there is a file in your computer that you have previously stored and you want to search that file in a faster way, you can search it from here. Third part on the bottom of the screen after Cortana is this. This is called as taskbar. Called as taskbar. What is a taskbar? Taskbar is actually a bar on the bottom of the screen which shows the programs and files which are currently running in your computer. Okay, all the programs which are currently open, all the programs which are currently running in your system, they will show up in taskbar. Next part after taskbar is system tray. This part. Okay, on the bottom of the screen after taskbar, what you will see is tray. System tray. Okay, so what is a system tray? System tray is actually the part of the desktop on the bottom of the desktop which shows time, date, status of the devices, stats of devices connected to your computer, okay, and all other features like Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and other stats of programs, okay, that you will see from system tray, okay. Next part of the desktop is icons. This part. So these are called as icons. Okay. So what are icons? Icons are actually the graphical representation of objects. So icons are graphical representation of objects. So what are objects? Okay. Objects, we will say programs, files, or devices. Okay, if we want to access the files object, if we want to access the files, if we want to access some applications or some devices, for everything we will be having an icon to access that object. Okay, so and icons can be of two types. We can have normal icons, and another we can have shortcut icons. Shortcut icons are those icons which will take me directly to some location in a computer system. They are called as shortcut icons, and you will identify the shortcut icons by a small arrow with an icon like this. Here we have a Google Chrome icon, and we have a small arrow, that is this icon, Google Chrome icon. It's a shortcut icon. Next, on desktop, we have an icon called recycle bin.
Also known as a
Okay, so a recycle bin is the only icon on computer desktop which cannot be deleted. This icon cannot be deleted. Okay, so we cannot delete recycle bin icon. Okay, so what is the recycle bin icon? Actually, recycle bin contains all the files you delete. Those files will be stored in recycle bin. Okay, and later on, for example, if you want to restore some file, later on you thought that this file was important for me and I don't want to delete that file permanently, you can restore the file from recycle bin. But once you empty the recycle bin, there is no way to restore the file back. Okay, and here recycle bin is the only icon which cannot be deleted from desktop. Okay, so this completes the computer desktop. Okay, thank you.